Hi and welcome to a new video. If you've purchased an application that doesn't meet your expectations, or if you've been charged a subscription fee by mistake, it's important to take the necessary steps to request a refund. In this video, I will show you how to easily refund your App Store purchases on your iPhone. Let's go. Before you begin, please note that refund eligibility may vary by country or region. Additionally, you will not be able to submit a refund request, especially if your subscription fee for the application has not yet been charged. To get started, visit reportaproblem.apple.com in your browser. For your reference, click the tag in the upper right corner or the link in the description below. First, sign in with your Apple ID and enter the authentication passcode if this is your first time signing in with your device. Under the "What can we help you with" label, select Request a Refund from the drop-down options. In the Next drop-down box, select the most appropriate reason for your request and tap the Next button to continue. On the next page, you will automatically have a list of all your purchases that are eligible for a refund. Simply choose an app and click the Submit button to send your request. Keep in mind that the refund may take up to 48 hours, 30 or 60 days to complete. After submitting, visit this same configuration page to track the status of your refund request. Once approved, it will automatically be applied to the same payment method you used to purchase the selected app. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.